Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making slow cooker cabbage roll soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of beef broth, 5 cups of green cabbage chopped, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 14.5 ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, 1 small onion diced, 1 cup of carrots sliced thinly, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 bay leaf, 1/2 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Then we're going to need 1 teaspoon of brown black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I have 2 cups of rice already pre-cooked. You can use white or brown rice. To a heated pan, I'm going to add in my olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onions, and we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. I want your heat to be on medium. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in our ground beef. Now you want to go ahead and break it down and make sure that it's mixed in well with your onions. You want to let it continue to cook until it's all brown. Next, we're going to get a small bowl. We're going to add in our onion powder, garlic powder, our 4th teaspoon of ground black pepper, and our adobo all-purpose seasoning. Now we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Set it to the side. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to remove it from your pan and drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained it of all excess grease, we're going to add in our seasoning. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can turn off the heat. Our white rice, we're just going to go ahead and cover it up and set it to the side. Okay, now I'm going to add to my slow cooker my ground beef, my tomato sauce, petite diced tomatoes, my beef broth, I'm going to add in my carrots, my cabbage, ground black pepper, brown sugar, dried oregano, and also my minced garlic, Now we're just going to go ahead and mix everything until it's well combined. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our bay leaf right over top. You can go ahead and put your lid on. And we're going to set it on low for 5 to 6 hours. Okay guys, we're down to the last 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the bay leaf. And we're going to go ahead and add in our white rice. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. Okay, I placed my lid back over top. And we're going to let it continue to cook for the remainder of the time. Okay guys, our cabbage roll soup is now done. Okay guys, look how delicious this is. So I'm just going to take some of my dried parsley flakes. Just going to sprinkle some over top just to give it a little bit more color. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our slow cooker cabbage roll soup. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?